Speed out record.
I wasn't trying to flip it backwards. Damn. I know I got some good air, dude.
Yeah, you got good air over there. These fucking kids.
Taking some good video?
No. It's too far.
You need to be up on top of that hill. Come on, stand off to the side, dude.
On his video camera?
No, yours.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, I thought you were videoing.
No, this is theirs. They want me to video record them. Huh? No, I just drank one. What do you want to do? Oh, no, they can ride. I can see it.
Yeah, but man, it's difficult, man, looking out for them. I mean, I know you've seen a couple times.
You don't even do it. Wait, it quit?
I think so.
You gotta do the head cam.
No. No, it's still going.
Still going?
It can go for as long as it wants.
You ain't gonna be able to see that.
Yeah.
I know. Put it on YouTube.
See it.
No, it's not done.
Yeah, put it on YouTube. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, I got. Get it, youngster.
Oh, come on, why did you go with the big one? Go with the big one!
Bro, he better not put that on YouTube. He's getting stuck right now.
Nah, mine's
Here we go. Here's the action right here. Hey, better do something big. Put that beer down. Hold my beer and watch this shit. Oh, here goes youngster. Fixing to hit him a ramp.
Come on down.
Yeah, he did. That's a hard hit.
Got the infrared, you got it.
That's a hard hit when you ain't got no suspension, man.
I know, you got some
Oh, yeah. Here, video your boy.
Oh, baby.
Like fucking 2 feet of air.
Baby air!
Get on that one and do it.
Me?
Yeah, you can.
Do it, do it. He'll clicker.
Not on that. If I thought I was going
Oh, he's going
back, I would. But I'm not getting near enough air. That doesn't have enough lift. That's not high enough. That right there, you land on top of it. You can't get a good enough stretch to stand on the other side, or I would. If you get a good pop up, man, you'd have a good hang time.
Yeah, that's a good pop up right there.
Yeah.
Fucking shoots me up.
Yeah, it'll shoot you up, but it's not a step up, you know?
Yeah,
like,
no.
You don't land on the other side of the hill.
You land on top of the hill.
Yeah. If that hill was probably about half the size and had a good little incline on the backside, like
Yeah.
this would be a fucking badass.
And if it was concrete, it'd make it great for BMX.
Oh yeah. Wear your ass out.
Hell no. Do a big one. That was a baby air.
Hey.
That was
Hey,
baby.
you're all out there by yourself, man. You need to get some big air. Hit that.
Big air.
Big air.
Big.
Air that motor.
Big, go baby!
He's in too high gear.
Go do it.
I was in 5th. I hit that sucker.
That's too high right there, man. That's not enough stretch to be in 5th gear. You need to be at like the top of 3rd, top of 4th. You gotta be at the top of a gear. You can't hit a ramp at the bottom.
Well, mine doesn't go into 4th gear.
Oh, you
It
gotta
cr-
skip 4th?
Yeah. So I ram it 5th and I'm like,
Yeah. I guess,
that was baby!
I guess if you got going right there, hit it about 2nd.
That was tiny. There we go, there we go, there we go.
Get it, straighten up.
Aww.
He was too wild coming out of the turn.
That was
You can see his line. He's stretched out too much. That'd be a nice little ramp right there.
That was good, but you just swerving.
Hey, when you come around that corner, get close to my